While using a plugin to optimize images is very convenient, you can get much better results by using a program like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP to optimize images instead of using a plugin. This does require a bit more work, but the results are far superior to what you can achieve by using a plugin. GIMP or GNU Image Manipulation Program is a free alternative to Photoshop and can do a lot of what Photoshop can. With GIMP, you can scale and optimize your images before you upload them. This will eliminate the need for using a plugin to optimize your images. And since GIMP is free, you do not have to worry about the cost. You can download GIMP from gimp.org. Let's now see how to scale and optimize images using GIMP. Let me open a large image file. You can check the image properties by going to the image menu and choosing Image Properties. This image is 3.1 MB in size. The dimensions of this image are 1428 by 725 pixels. This is far too large to be used on a website as it is. To use it on a website, you would want to scale it first. To scale the image, go to Image, Scale Image. Here, you need to edit the width and the height. Let's change the width to 500 pixels. The height is automatically changed to 254 pixels. Click on Scale. Now the image has been scaled. Now we need to optimize the image. To do that, go to the File menu and choose Export As. In this dialog box that appears, select JPEG as the image type and change the file name in case you do not want to overwrite the original file. Click Export. Now, in this dialog box, you can alter the quality. As you reduce the quality, the file size will also reduce. Let's bring it all the way down to 35. You will not be able to tell the difference. If I select this, Show Preview in Image window, you can see the file size here. The new image is only 13.9 kilobytes in size. That's a huge reduction from 2.96 MB. Let's export this. This is the original image and this is the optimized image. This image is 13.9 kilobytes in size and this one is 2.96 megabytes. This optimized image can now be used on your website. Let's now optimize all of the images we are using on the home page of this website. We are using 5 images on the front page and the original images are in this folder here. Even after optimizing each of these images using WP Smushit, none of the images are less than 200 kilobytes in size. If you go to the attachment details, you will be able to see the file size here. This one is 273 kilobytes in size. This one is 338 kilobytes. This is actually more than a megabyte. This one is almost a megabyte in size. And this one is 74 kilobytes. Let's optimize all of these images here using GIMP. We will then delete all of these images here, re-upload them to the website and see the difference in the page size. Before we delete the images and re-upload the new images, let's see the current page size and the page load time using webpagetest.org. Currently, the page is more than a megabyte in size, the page load time is a bit over 3 seconds, and the time to first byte is 0.41 seconds. Let me delete all of these images. Let me pause the video while I delete all the images and the plugin as well. I'll delete the plugin now. Let me optimize the images now. I will not be scaling any of these images. I'll just optimize them. Let me pause the video while I optimize the rest of the images. All of the image files have been optimized, and this folder now contains two sets of images. The ones with OPT in the file name have been optimized. You can see the difference in the file sizes here. This image is 975 kilobytes in size, and the optimized image is 44 kilobytes in size. I will upload the optimized images to the website now. Let me pause the video while I upload all of the optimized images to the website. I have now uploaded all of the optimized images, and this is how the site looks like now. This is how the site used to look like. I have not refreshed this page. This is how these images used to look like, and this is how they look like now. These are optimized images, and these are not optimized images. Let's now measure the page size using webpagetest.org. Let me open this in a new tab. Let me rerun the test. The results are here, and the page size is now 484 kilobytes. It used to be more than a megabyte before we used GIMP to optimize the images, and previously our grade for compressing images used to be F. It's now a B, and the page is also loading faster. The load time is now 2.22 seconds, and it used to be a little over 3 seconds previously. So this is why you would want to use either GIMP or Photoshop to compress your images instead of using a plugin. Using plugins may seem very convenient, but the convenience comes at a price. Using a program like GIMP or Photoshop to compress images takes a bit of effort but is a lot more efficient.